it's Alyssa from RomeWise, your go-to guide to Rome. Here today at Stazione Termini, which is the Termini train station, heading to Florence for a 2.5-day visit. So we're going to go over what you can see and do in Florence in 2.5 days. Like Rome, you just can't do it all, but we are going to see a lot. So let's go. All right, guys, we made it. Nice 1.5 hour easy train ride from Rome and heading to our hotel just across the Arno River. Florence is not that big, so it's pretty easy to walk. And I'm gonna get this day started. Here we go. Guys, we are here at the Duomo, the main cathedral of Florence, and we are going to climb the cupola. And it's going to be a pretty steep climb. We had to book these tickets in advance. Normally you have to book these even weeks and months in advance. Now, because the crowds are not as bad, we only booked a few days ago, so that's not too bad. But you cannot just show up here and go in. It's always full and space is limited, and especially now with COVID, so you've got to book this in advance. All right, guys, we are on the inside of this cupola, climbing the cupola to St. Peter's, and a lot of steps. It's a little claustrophobic. You could sort of say this is claustrophobic. I don't know if we're near the top yet, but this is a big climb. This is a big climb. This is it. Oh my God. This is so steep. All right, guys, this is the last piece, and you got to hold on. It's beyond steep, but look what we're doing here. Look what we got. Guys, I cannot exaggerate the steepness of these steps and the tininess and the slipperiness and the narrowness. This is not for the faint of heart. Guys, this is really, really, really difficult. Okay, actually the worst part is the very tippy top where you have to get up to the, the lantern. It is unbelievably steep and narrow and yeah, coming down, whoa. But really worth it. Well, guys, that was a great day. Pretty busy, but wonderful. And we didn't have a plan for the rest of the day. We just decided to see what happens, find some place to eat. We wound up poking into a lot of vintage shops and went back to our apartment, had a little bit of rest, and then a nice pasta wine dinner. We're ready for tomorrow. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Buongiorno. All right, we are here at the Uffizi Galleries. It's day 2 of our 2.5-day visit to Florence. I really recommend visiting the Uffizi. This is where you can find some of the most incredible masterpieces in the world, and I'm going to just show you a few of the highlights very quickly. You've got to book in advance, and we plan to spend about the morning here, just a few hours, and we have the rest of the day free, and we'll see what develops. So let's go check out the Uffizi. Well, it is our 3rd and last day here in Florence. We have a half day ahead of us because we're catching the 4 o'clock train back to Rome. So today we're going to go visit Santa Croce, this beautiful basilica behind me. We're standing here in Piazza Santa Croce, which is a very historic plaza for a lot of reasons, including the fact that they used to play soccer here a really long time ago, and they still do this today. They put a grass down and they line the piazza with stands and they sort of reenact these old soccer games. It's just from Florence neighborhoods. It's a local thing, but it should be a pretty special thing to do. Anyway, let's go inside the Church of Santa Croce and then we'll see what else we have time for on this last half-day visit to Florence. Here we go. Well guys, we did it. 2.5 days in beautiful Florence. We didn't see it all. Just like Rome, you can't see it all, but we did see a lot. Whether you visit Florence for a day trip from Rome or a 2.5 days like we did, or you come here as its own destination and spend even more time, do not leave Florence off your list. It is an amazing place. So much art, history, so beautiful, great places to eat. I know you're going to want to come visit Florence anyway, but definitely do not miss it. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button below. See you at the next video. Ciao for now.